Make e better for you, my confirmed person. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time wey dis video take reach you. Dis na Open Heavens daily devotional for Tuesday wey be di 13th day of August 2024. Our topic for today na ask in his name. Ask in his name. Our Bible reading dey come from the book of Psalms 66 from verse 17 go enter 20. Psalm 66 from verse 17 go enter 20. Wey talk say, I cry to am make e help me, make God praise am with my tongue. If I gather sin for my heart, God no go answer or lis ten to me. But God dey hear and lis ten to my prayers. Na God get all the praise because he no reject my prayers at all. And he still dey show me in love wey no dey fail. Our memory verse for today dey come from the book of Psalms 145 verse 18. And that one also tell us to say, Baba God dey very close to all those people wey dey call on am for help. Yes, he dey close to everybody wey dey call am with pure mind. Make we enter our message for today. All around the world, people dey call on God for one thing or the other. And as he busy reach, he talk for inside Jeremiah chapter 33 verse 3 to say, call me and I go answer you, and I go show you great and mighty things wey you no even know before. I don go offices of some presidents. Before you go, you must first book appointment. If the president come tell you say make you come by 2 o'clock for afternoon and you reach there before that 2 o'clock, dem fit no allow you see am till 5 o'clock for evening sef because the president dey very busy. And at times, na the president no even need you, but you wey dem need, you go still get to wait for the president. But e no get any president wey busy reach God, yet he always dey available to give you e at ten tion wey you no go share with anybody anytime wey you call am. E no ever dey too busy to answer you. Jesus Christ talk say, when we come to God in prayer, when we come to God in his name. I fit send you go meet person, I go come sign note, tell the person say make e give you anything wey you want. But when I tell you say make you go that place in my name, wetin I mean be say, even though say na you dey go the place, when you reach the gate, you go tell them say Adeboye don come. When the people see you, they go receive you and they go treat you as if na me be the one wey dem dey welcome. Jesus talk say, when you dey pray to a father, make you pray in him name. And that one mean say, even though say na you dey pray, God the Father go see that prayer point as if na Jesus na pray am. Since Jesus and God na one, as we see for inside John chapter 10 verse 30, e also mean say anything wey the Father get, na the Son get am. And so, the Father no go refuse to give Jesus Christ anything when he asks of. He also no go refuse to give you anything wey you ask according to his will. If Jesus Christ appear come meet you now, tell you say, the moment you ask am for anything, you go get am. You go still keep quiet or you go start to dey ask am for anything wey you need. He don already tell you for inside John chapter 16 verse 23 say, if you ask am for anything, he go give you. This na why you suppose to dey pray for everything wey you need. Many people dey complain about things wey dem go fit pray about. Jesus Christ dey wait to give you anything wey you ask am for. So, make you no worry yourself about anything. Just pray in Jesus' name and the problem go dey solved. According to John chapter 14 from verse 13 go reach 14. Our key point for today be say, Jesus Christ dey wait to hear wetin you wan ask am. So you sef no waste time at all to talk to am. Ask am now for anything wey you want and he go do am for you. E no go bad at all if you just carry that particular prayer request wey dey your heart right now, make you take am take ask God. Na here we take come to the end of today's message for Open Heavens Daily Devotional. And the topic today be say, ask in his name. Make you no forget say, Na Pastor E.A. Adeboye, wey be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God Worldwide, na him write dis Open Heavens daily devotional. And na on top Favours blog na you take lis ten to dis ogbonge message dis morning. Abeg no forget to like dis video, share the video, and of course subscribe to dis channel so that anytime wey we drop video, you go be one of the first persons to know. Make e better for you, my person.